Hola mi gente, what's up, what's happening people, mi gente, como anda? So who is the hottest stock picker under the sun? It's not Kathy Wood at ARK Invest, it's not Warren Buffett, it's not me. I wish I was the hottest, but you know who it is? You're gonna find this funny. It's Nancy Pelosi and Paul Pelosi. They are racking in millions, gigantic returns. They are bringing in the guap right now. Check this out, because you're going to be surprised and you're probably going to be a little suspicious too. Now, over the last 2 months, Nancy Pelosi just herself has brought in millions of dollars and has a portfolio return just over the last 2 months of over 50%. She bought call options in big tech, and big tech has been soaring. Now, just making that kind of money itself isn't suspicious, but when you have the House voting on some antitrust bill that could hurt big tech, and if you know what the outcome's going to be before it actually happens, you could make a lot of money knowing that kind of information. Now, that's not insider trading, isn't it? But either way, she made a ton of money on calls on Apple. She's also got calls on Nvidia, and she's also got calls on other big tech stocks. But that's not it, right? You know, maybe that's just a coincidence. I don't know. But her husband, Paul Pelosi, has made over $6 million in the stock market as well recently. He made over $6 million on Google, and also he's heavily invested in Amazon. And what happened with Amazon recently is throwing some red flags, and people are starting to realize that there might be insider trading happening with the Pelosi family. And that's because he invested in Amazon right before we got news on the Jedi contract. Now, if you don't know what the Jedi contract is, it's a contract that Microsoft won. This is a huge contract for the Pentagon. It's with cloud services. So Microsoft has Azure, and Amazon has Amazon Web Services. These are both cloud platforms. And Microsoft, with their Azure cloud, they won this huge contract with the Pentagon. They were the only company that won. But Amazon was not happy with that outcome, and they actually filed a lawsuit. Now, there was nothing with that lawsuit, but recently the Pentagon pulled that contract and is opening up another contract where there's going to be multiple companies in this contract. So Amazon went from winning nothing to being part of a contract. Now, that's huge news, because this is a big deal for the Pentagon, and this is a big deal for the companies involved. But the funny thing is that Paul Pelosi invested in Amazon right before we got this kind of information. And he's going to make a ton of money, because if you take a look at Amazon stock, it is absolutely soaring right now. It's at higher highs. It's breaking all-time highs. So long story short, who is the hottest stock picker under the sun? The hottest under the sun. It's the Pelosi family. Nancy Pelosi and Paul Pelosi, they are racking in the money right now. Maybe they're trying to get it while they can, because we might see some capital gains tax out the wazoo, and they don't want to pay all that. So let's get it while we can, they say, and they're going to start investing on maybe some knowledge that they get from the inside. So Nancy Pelosi, Paul Pelosi, I'm inviting you to start a YouTube channel. I would love to run it for you guys. I would promote it, because if you can help us make money, I'm all about it. But if you're not going to share the knowledge with us, the people, mi gente, then you can get the hell out of here with that insider trading.
Fuck you, this guy stinks.
So yeah, you guys know the deal. Hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and smash that like button. I'll catch you guys on the next video. It's been real, it's been fun, it's been real fun. And this is We Are Investing. And together, we are invincible. See ya.